this video, we will show how to simulate the turbine spinning with the use of a magnet. Push the meter cable tip upwards from underneath the bypass valve, and then you'll be able to easily lift up the meter cable. Then rub the magnet back and forth across the shiny flat side of the meter cable tip to simulate that the turbine is spinning. While doing so, watch the front display screen of the valve to see if the remaining gallons is counting down. You may find that you have to perform this action for 10 to 30 seconds or longer before the display screen will begin to count down. If you notice that the number of gallons remaining is counting down, as in this video, this is an indication that the circuit board and meter cable are in perfect working order and that the turbine is likely jammed and not spinning. With the turbine being jammed, you'll now need to replace the complete bypass valve assembly, which includes a new turbine. Don't forget to place the meter cable tip back into position by snapping it into place. You have now successfully determined that the turbine is not spinning.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.